Hey everyone, I will just tell you a wonderful new trick where you can do the PPT presentation, any PPT presentation without any AI ML, any Gamma, any AI tool is not required to create. You need only ChatGPT and your laptop with a Windows. Okay, so come here. I will show the demo for you. First of all, see this is only a black and white PPT, and now I see that I will click on one option, designer, and see now what happened. This will generate some templates automatically. If I select this, in this I need more features. I will click again, and it will regenerate some of the new designs. See how does it do? So this is the wonderful feature, and I will show again with a new feature. Let me go with you have unlimited access and everything. You will be having multiple things. Okay, so first of all, you need to go for the chat GPT. You want to generate the PPT by using only textual information. Okay, if you also want to add the images, you can add the images. Then go for here, it automatically structure the things. So how to do? So click on Windows and X. Okay, you will be pop-upping the window and click on Terminal Admin. Okay, I think it is not visible for you guys. But let me tell you, just click on Windows X, and you will be visible of. Let me, yeah, Terminal Admin. Click on this one. Okay, you want to click S, and you will be opening pop up this one. Okay, here you want to. I am giving a one link and in the description. Okay, or else I will provide in my website. You just copy that link and you just paste here. Okay, just click on hit enter, and it will process the thing, and it will open a new window. Okay, after opening this window it will ask you to activate something. You just click on 2, number 2, and enter. Don't put enter, just 2, and click on 1 after. Okay, 1 first, 2, then 1. It will install everything. After installing Windows 11 Home single, it will install and free open source and PPT where you can use for free. No, nothing you need to give, and it will be 100% genuine, and you can use it. So you can see Office is permanently active. So this is active now, you can use. So please ignore the buy button. So you can just utilize, and you can use this option designer, and you can use, I think you can use almost premium versions. I will just compare with you, and now I will go for the Chrome. I can actually see here. I will go with my anything, and I will just uh, Microsoft PPT. Okay, I will go for the same thing. I will open this online. Let's see what does it ask. See, this is now, it is now open source and free. In your system also it doesn't visible, but when you active this, it will be visible. But just one time you just restart the thing. Okay, okay, it is loading. Let it be load. Okay, so as I can see, you have came enter to here, and I will just upload a blank this thing PPT, and I will just open this. Okay, so this is actually what we have activated. This is 360 plan. So you can see here this option designer. I will just click on it, and it should say it is a premium because it is a premium package. Okay, it is loading, so it takes a lot of time because it is in the cloud. Okay, as you can see, same thing, everything is visible, but see what is showing. Go to the premium. If you click it, it shows pay only 800 rupees, pay only 900 rupees, like that. So this is the thing which is the thing. So what I have given, as you can see in your front, in front of you, I have told what are things. If you type this, you just put some two commands, that's all. Your full PC will be fully free with the advanced features. Okay, thank you, bye bye.